to camping in the US to camping overseas, I'm bringing my adventures to you on Roam the Jeep.
What is up, y'all? We are headed to Oklahoma. Let's go. Hey, that was a noisy motorcycle. Just kidding. I do not wear my mask when I drive. I'm here, so let's check it out. Alright, I'm here. This place looks pretty awesome. My tripod broke, so I'm just using this little one on my camera. How cool is this? Tell you what, these canvas tents still get a little warm, but that's why there's an AC unit there in the corner. Yo, yeah. Again, no disappointments here. This place is more than I expected. I mean, right in front of the lake. It's really cool. The neighbors across the way invited me to dinner tonight. All right, gonna head to the store, grab some food and stuff, and some beer for the neighbor.
Feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm
Y'all headed back to the store, picked up some meat from the store, and then got some mosquito repellent.
Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
So yeah, I'm totally chilling, yo. Well, this is a little unexpected. There's a little boat here that This is paddles. Water's calm.
Drive the same roads every day.
Friendly neighbors are making dinner and
We both get there our own way.
fresh bread.
Thistle and an apple tree. How different two souls can be. But we both grow from the same sorrow. If we both know we'll be together tomorrow, I can be like a tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, turning to understand and sway together. Now it's almost like a dance, the rendering of stubbornness, and it just cuts us deeper through the longer I'm away from you. Yeah, we
Tried to throw my pole in the lake.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
It's got butternut squash. It's a Dutch oven roasted chicken with butternut squash, carrots, red onion, rosemary, garlic, parsley, and a little bit of beer.
This is your pop-up trailer?
Yeah.
What year is this?
It's a 2005 Jayco. I mean, you see it's pretty roomy. It's got the pull-out kitchen, and you got a bed over here. You kind of block it off if you don't have extra people.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay, yeah.
Put your stuff, you know, in your bed here. Your shower works perfect. Hot water.
Okay.
It's even got a little refrigerator right here.
Okay.
And then we also keep a little microwave in here that we can just plug in. But the stove that's out there, you can actually set it right here on the counter. It's got a gas hookup right here.
Okay.
So if it's cold and you don't want to be outside cooking, you can just cook all your stuff right here on the stove.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Yeah. I love it. It doesn't have heat, but it has air conditioning, so we just bring that little heater there, and man,
perfect.
It got hot in here last night. I had to turn it off. Yeah, I looked over and she's over there going. That's almost as bad as that onion, you know, when you're cutting up.
What? Well, I tell you what, Jay. Let me ask you, what songs do you know all the way through?
Every time makes you older, even children get older. I'm getting older.
Good morning, y'all. It is the morning, and had a great time last night hanging out with the camp crew. And so yeah, I already took a shower, and yeah.
Thanks for joining me, y'all. Next time, next adventure.